अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं मुबीन। आज हम आपको क्लियर बताएंगे कि सेल डिवीजन क्या है और सेल डिवीजन कितने टाइप है, क्रोमोसोम्स किस चीज़ के बने और तो कैसे बनाते हैं। आज हमने प्रोजेक्ट पे काम किया है। ये आपके सामने क्रोमोसोम्स भी है, ये आप देख रहे हैं। तो मैं आपको आज इसके बारे में क्लियर बताऊंगा। हमने डीएनए भी बनाया है और डीएनए डबल स्ट्रैंड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द सेल्स, ये डबल स्ट्रैंड है। तो आज मैं आपको क्लियर बताऊंगा हमारे पास सेल डिवीजन है क्या। द डिवीजन ऑफ सेल is called cell division, in which number of cells divide, and that means cell division. There are three types of cell division in front of you. You can see here, and mitosis, amitosis, mitosis, and other one is meiosis. The first one is amitosis. Am means without mitosis thread, and the without thread formation is called amitosis. It means without spindle formation is called amitosis. And amitosis is also called direct cell division. Why the mitosis is called direct cell division? Because in which spindle cannot be formed. That's why mitosis is called direct cell division. And mitosis is found in the unicellular and the bacteria. You can see here the mitosis is found in bacteria. It means the binary fusion and the two bacteria separates during the binary fusion. Other one is mitosis, a mitosis thread, and this type of cell division is found in multicellular animals and multicellular plants. Mitosis is also called indirect cell division because in which spindles are formed. Spindle formation is called mitosis, and a thread-like structure found in the cell are mitosis. The mitosis found in a somatic cell. It means body cells except and the sex cells and the germ cells and the reproductive cells. And mitosis, the function of mitosis is repair of cells, bearing of healing of wounds, जख्म का भरना, आंसू का गिरना, वापस आ जाना। तो ये हमारे पास माइटोसिस का काम है, ठीक है। जैसे जख्म भरता है, योर नेल्स कैन बी ग्रो, योर हेयर कैन बी ग्रो, आपके बाल जब काटेंगे तो दोबारा हो जाएंगे, नेल्स भी काटेंगे दोबारा हो जाएंगे। तो ये कौन सी चीज़ है जो हमें बताती है, वो माइटोसिस है। थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होती है, तो ये माइटोसिस का काम है। Other one is meiosis. The meiosis is a special type of the cell division. Why? The meiosis is called a special type of cell division because in which number of chromosomes are reduced to half. That's why meiosis is a special type of the cell division. Meio means to reduce. Meiosis is also called reduction cell division because in which the number of chromosomes are reduced to half. What is the main function of the meiosis? And the gamete formation. What are the gametes? Gametes are the reproductive organs such as ova and sperm and plants and spores and this is the very best and special type of cell division found in the cells. And how can we say that is a reduction cell division? And take a small example. Here is the female chromosomes. How many chromosomes in the male and female, and the chromosomes in the human? 46 chromosomes. Here is the male chromosomes, and here gametes. Here is the gametes. 46 chromosomes, and 23. Here is the X chromosomes. Here is the X chromosomes. It means 46 chromosomes and a zygote formed. Here is the zygote, and the zygote is diploid because double cell, that is from the ova. One comes from the female and one comes from the female. And it means a zygote formation. This is the zygote. And chromosomes. These are the chromosomes you can see here. Chromosomes are found in the nucleus. This is the nucleus, and found in the nucleus. And a part of the cell. The nucleus is the brain of the cell. Why? The nucleus is called a brain of the cell because it controls all the function of the cell. That's why the brain of the cell. Very special type of the part of the cell. That's why brain of the cell. And you can see here the nucleus in front of you and chromosomes. Here is chromosomes. You can see here. We made it with the help of the threads, the different type of colors, and you can see here. And the chromosomes are made up of DNA and a special protein, and this protein is called histone protein. The DNA is a headed material which transfer the character from parents to offspring. That's the function of the DNA. And the chromosome made of DNA and histone protein. What percentage of the DNA is found in the chromosome cell? 40% DNA and histone protein 60%. It means the chromosomes made up of DNA and histone protein, and chromosomes are clearly structure found in the nucleus. What is the nucleus? Nucleus is the brain of the cell, important part of the cell. It controls all function of the cell. Yes, cell. This is a DNA in front of you, double strand, and cytosine, guanine, thymine, and adenine, and the nitrogen bases are found in the DNA. These are the fragments of the DNA. You can see here, this is the DNA. Double strand. DNA is hereditary material because it transfers the character from parent to offspring. So thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz, thank you.